Always fun for the spectators, that one.
Don't forget your earplugs, eh?
Yeah, of course.
All right, we'll stay with us. The weather's up next with Livio. That's coming up straight after the break.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Heavy rainfall expected across the tropics over the next 24 hours, especially between Townsville and Cairns as the monsoon pushes north. Meanwhile, southern Queensland can enjoy a well-earned break from the hardcore tropical conditions. Today was warm and humid, but finally bearable. In Toowoomba, our temp range was 18 to 27 degrees, not far from average. Warwick got to 30, and at the airport our 3 p.m. humidity was 52%. On the satellite loop now, we have two revolving weather systems, ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily causing all manner of havoc over the Gulf country with flooding rains. And then we've got the second vortex just off the Capricorn coast. That's associated with the heavy rain that was recently affecting southern Queensland, and the system's now gone out to sea. There's a big broad storm band between those two systems, which represents the monsoon, and it's moving north, about to bring heavy rain to the tropical parts of Queensland. So today's chart, they're the two lows I was talking about, joined up by the monsoon trough. That trough a couple of days ago was a lot further south. It's pushing north now, and what's happening is we have the southeasterly trades converging into the northwest monsoon winds coming from the other side, causing a fountain of rising moist air, and that's the band of heavy rain. Now on tomorrow's chart, that monsoon trough moves a bit further north, so now the band of heavy falls, for which there's a severe weather warning, will be between about Cairns and Ayr. Then on the outlook chart, as the trough continues to move north, the weather does start to ease right across Queensland, but we do still have quite humid conditions across most of the state. Darling Downs and Granite Belt, a sunny day, though that major flood warning continues for the Condamine. Dalby 35 degrees, 37 for Goondiwindi, Toowoomba 32, Warwick 35. For the southeast coast, sunny and calm, Gatton 36 degrees, Ipswich 35, Brisbane 33. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, temperatures becoming rather tropical again from next week, typically 19 degrees overnight to around 31 by day, with humidity rising as light showers eventually return. For Warwick, the nights will be even warmer if that's possible, more like 20 degrees, low 30s by day, showers returning Wednesday, and for Dalby the same, nights around that 20 mark. Getting quite hot though, with tops of 36 degrees from Sunday right through to Wednesday. This map shows the average temperature across Queensland for January 2024. Yellows and oranges represent up to 3 degrees above the historical norm, and that covers most of the state, so yep, it's been toasty. We did predict an unusually hot summer, you may recall. It's the dry summer we made an embarrassing mess of. Thanks, team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Thursday. Thanks for your company.
And a reminder, if you'd like to watch anything again, pick it up on our 7 Plus app or our page 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.